If you're not aware, PowerPoint includes a built-in designer tool that provides various design suggestions and elements you can easily click and apply. You'll find this feature in the top right corner of the Home tab or by searching for Designer in the search bar. The Designer tool in PowerPoint is content-aware, meaning it will try to match the design suggestions to the content already on your slide. For example, if you drag in a background image, it will generate design ideas that complement that specific image. Keep in mind, the suggestions you see on your screen may differ from what I see on mine, as they are tailored to the content and layout of your slide. Once you've chosen a design you like, continue in the Home tab, click Arrange, and then the Selection pane. You can also locate this by using the search bar. In the Selection pane, you can unhide all groupings and individual elements to view and manipulate each component of the design. This is particularly helpful for identifying and editing specific parts of your slide. To replicate the same end product as in the course, you need to change the color of the background on the left side. Locate the correct element, right-click on its corner, and select Format Shape. In the Editing pane, navigate to Fill, select Solid Fill, and click Color. Under More Colors, in the Custom tab, enter the hex code displayed on the screen to apply the exact color. Finally, here's a small trick. If you want to use a color directly from your screen, you can use the eyedropper tool. Simply click on Color in the Formatting options, select Eyedropper, and then hover over the desired color on your slide to pick it instantly. And if you just want to use the template and replace the background quickly, simply right-click on the background, select Change Picture, and choose one of the available options. For instance, you can select From this device to upload a new image directly from your computer. Once you pick the image, it will instantly update, easy and hassle-free.